Dun 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 dun. Doodaloo. Doodaloo. Da-dum.
I can't get my legs up. I haven't got the core strength, but I can do that. Just imagine a floor.
I am recording. What you'll need to make your own stunt vest: cloth, Velcro, buckle things, and strap. Lots of strap. And a sewing machine. This is what we're looking to make: a stunt harness so I can fly by wires and become a professional stunt person. SAG-AFTRA. Knockoff stunt harness poses. Don't worry. I kind of brushed over it there, but I should say don't make one of these if you are doing anything professional with it. These can really hurt people. So be safe, be sound, or be sorry. And yes, I am stuck here like this right now. Cursed. Hey, babe! Kirsten! Hey, babe! She's ignoring me or can't hear me, and I can't reach the rope to loosen myself down. Step number 1, just make a normal vest. I have made a vest before in a wonderful video, so if you want to see that, check it out, it's right here. Great dance moves. And then all you do is you just get all these straps and you sew it together a lot. You go down one side, up and back, 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 every single time. And that is how you sew one little bit. See? It's sewed. You've got to go over a lot. So I now just have to do this 150 more times for each little thing. And then, see this? It's a little loop. You can hang it off. You're hanging off that. See? Perfect. Yeah, it's ripping. Let's get into it. I need a better catch line. Let's sew. No, what if I don't sew? Let's. Here we go. Power's on. That works. Oh, it worked! Why did you not work, and why do you work now? Why are you not working now? That's taken me 2 hours. I now know why these are so expensive. I also think I've made it out of the wrong material. For the majority of it, I've used like a cottony material. I would use more of a plasticky, nylon-y material if you are going to do it yourself, which you shouldn't. So now we come to this fun part. See, if we like this, it's going to come up. So we need to put straps around here. And now all you do is add some little buckles and sew it all together. How does this look? These bits, they can get trimmed and velcroed down around. And now all we have to do, 4 straps across here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where's it? 1, 2, 3, and I run out, so we're going to use the leg bit as well for the bottom bit, make it a little bit stronger. So we just sew these all on, and I'm done. I'm ready to achieve my dream. Have I just remembered that I forgot to tell you why we're doing this? I love Tom Cruise. I love him a lot. If you don't believe me, this is how much I love Tom Cruise. I learned to run like him, and I'm poor. I can't afford to do stunts like him, but I can afford to kind of do stunts like him. This is my dream. Tom, I love you. Now attach some adjustable buckles to the front and some loops your fat thighs can fit through. Ooh, that's a bit of a tongue twister. Fat thighs fit through. Fat thighs fit thighs fit through. We are done. And this is what it looks like, modelled by the wonderful Grave St.Claire. Subscribe. And now it's time for test 1. I'm gonna lie down and you're gonna pull me up. Okay, here we go. Test 1. Test 1. Yep. Keep pulling. Test 1. Hey! Oh, what's that? It hurts. Digs in. Let's move this. Ah, I'm stuck. It broke. How does it look? What broke? It still works. Look at that. Done. I would say that didn't go well. I've got holes. That there. You shouldn't really be able to see through the vest. You do these things to learn. And I've learnt, don't make an illegal stunt vest. There's a reason why they're illegal. It also incredibly hurt. It dug in quite bad. I think I'm bruised. Ow. That's been fun though, hasn't it? You learn. It's been fun. And that's it. That's how you make one of these things. I'm stuck still. Curse. Honestly, curse you. There you go. Come. Hey, please, I'm stuck. Thank you. What have you been doing?